Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. ACTC, it's looking like it's about to start the reversal. I'm looking to join. Okay, so over the 2350. I don't want it to break. It's looking like it's continuing down. I'm waiting for it to stop. Just a bit more. Yeah, about 50 cents risk, pretty much. If it's not cracking the view up. If it's not cracking the view up, I will join, but if it completely break down and leave, I will drop the trade completely. And I'm in. Okay. So as I said, 50 cents stop, and I'm looking at 21 to be my partial one, to be risk neglator, basically the one that removing the risk completely. And where is my continuation? Where is the volume up? Oh, that's bad. Come on. Yeah, that's the direction. I put partial 2 as well, which is 22. I gave myself a little bit more breathing air instead of doing the 21, which might be good but might be a mistake. If it's continuing up, it's going to jump over the 21. In that case, I want to take a bit more just to give it the more profitable trade opportunity. Right now it's looking bad. And stop. That's the and I'm out. Damn. It was a quick, quit, and lazy trade. Damn. But it's not cracking down. Okay, so I want to join again. I might made a mistake and didn't give the trade enough stop. It's looking too good. Just entered. Just a bit more. I gave it the 1980, which should have been the original stop. I entered it half a risk basically here. Okay, so not a full risk. It's half of it, but I'm going to let it run. I'm not going to touch it. I'm willing to risk another half, but if I'm successful here, I want to take big money. That was the 21. In this case, I'm waiting. I want to take money home, and I'm not willing to compromise for a cent. If it's breaking again, I will be really mad. Come on. It's playing. Didn't decide yet. It have to run over the 21 and a half. I want the 2180 pretty much. So either it's going to work or it's going to crash. It might be a bad trading management, yeah, it might be, but that's the reason I took half of it, half the risk level. I want to see that it's working. Still playing. Look at that. Hasn't decided if it's going down or up there yet. Now, just to give you a reminder, it's almost 72% up, so it should continue. Should. On paper, anyway. This is not a paper trade, so let's hope that the paper is correct and I'm going to make money. Come on. And it's the volume is getting there. Now the funny part, if you're looking at the volume chart, it's kind of updating after the candle ended. Like the information I'm seeing right now is not always accurate. Sometimes it will show you something amazing and then it will readjust it to be normal or even lower than that, and that's depressing. So the time and sell and level 2 are really crucial for me to actually make a decision. You can see that it's kind of stuck in this place, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, but you don't see a specific color that's controlling. Most of it is kind of white meaning the same price that was. So and it's kind of playing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You saw that, right? And that was a jump down. Didn't like that, but yeah. And it's cracking. Again, didn't move my stop. The original stop is in this place. It's a half risk level, and I'm willing to take it because I believe this trade is going to work. I'm thinking about adding, I don't know, I'm thinking about adding will be the right thing here. Yeah, I'll do that. I will bring the other half if it's jumping over this candle, this fighting candle. I'm preparing my stop to be adjusted to the right numbers. I just entered, so I'm adjusting everything. Okay, because I did add more, I need to safeguard my trade. I don't want to lose a full risk level again. So I'm going to take half of it. Basically what I entered just over the 21, so 21.20 ish, yeah, will be kind of partial one, or actually everything that I added. And for that point, I'm going to kind of give the trade all the opportunities to succeed. So it's not really cracking, and I did move my stop higher, so I reduced the risk there, but just looked too good to kind of pass through. And a few weeks ago I couldn't do that because of the day trading pattern. So I reduced the risk per trade. It's $60 now, but I'm willing to take more of them. So I'm trying to keep, if I'm going to, yeah, I took partial one. So if I'm going to take more trades, I'm still trying to reach the point that I'm not losing more than one risk level. Just took partial 2. In one candle. That was amazing. Okay, so now my stop is in my entrance. Whatever I made, it's mine. I'm going to take it home, and that's kind of, for now I just can take more money. It's not my money anymore that I'm risking, so why the hell? Why not let it ride and bring the bacon home as much as it can? Okay, so sometimes you need to let it work. It might all crash back and reach my stop. It might not, I don't know. But I'm going to let it do what it's supposed to do. Look at the volume. You see that? Half a mil, half a mil, half a mil. 3 candles in a row. Okay, you saw the adjustment with the volume. It's crazy. You can't really do that all the time. So instead of half a mil, it's just 300. That's the reason you need to wait until the candle is completely done. I don't know if anyone else in Interactive Brokers see the same problem, or it's just my computer, or because I'm trading on a Mac. But that little glitches can drive you crazy. So I think for now I covered my losses, which is it's nice. So the worst case is going to be a break-even day, and I'm good with that. It doesn't have to be a profit day every day, but not making a losing day will always be a good idea. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I just moved my stop a bit up to make sure that the gap down will not take my money. But that's a crazy candle. Crazy volume as well. That was a huge fight of almost half a buck. Okay, so I left the computer. I couldn't stay near it, and when I came back, I saw that I reached my stop. So I did move it. I made some money. It was a multi-attempt. I did finish with 13 bucks lost, which is a small loss, all considering. And it did continuing, but I'm good with the exit. I'm good with what I did. It was a good trade, and that's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.